Hello, Ian here with Touratech USA, and this is going to be a quick installation video of the Touratech rear axle plug kit. So what this is a black anodized piece with a nice Touratech logo on it, and it fits flush right in here in the hole in the rear axle, in the rear final drive. This is a very universal part. It fits all model years of the R1200 and R1250, all of the models as well. So your GS, your GSA, your RT, RS, R, everything. Oil-cooled or water-cooled, they all use the exact same diameter and length of this final drive tube right here. So the part works just the same. So it's a pretty quick installation. First thing you gotta do is take both of the O-rings that come in the kit and slide them down over the shaft. Then I grab the bolt, put a little bit of thread locker on it, and then drop it through the black piece here. It's got a hole cut in it so it fits flush, the bolt fits flush in there. And you grab the silver piece. It's directional here. It's got one side with a deeper cut in it than the other. So take the side with the deeper cut and put it towards the black piece like that. So you've got a nice groove here for your O-ring. And then you just screw the bolt into the hollow shaft here. And now here's the tricky part. You don't want to tighten this all the way up right now. You want to be able to loosen it up a little bit, about 2 turns or so. And you take one of the O-rings and you slide it here into the groove. You have to go just the right amount into the groove so that it fits flush, but it doesn't drop too far down into the groove. See, like this one here is too far down, so that means I had my bolt too loose. So all we got to do is just pop the O-ring back out, put another half turn of tight onto the bolt, and then slide it on again. So this one's just about right. You can see how the O-ring is fit deep into that groove, and I haven't tightened the bolt yet. Now you go to the opposite side, and this one has a groove cut into it. So you drop the O-ring into that groove. These I've already put oil on, but take some WD-40 or a little bit of engine oil, spray it on the O-rings to make sure that they can fit down into the grooves properly. This one you give a good press to make sure that it's flush all the way in. Just like this one is as well. You know, I think I might go just another little bit of a turn out. Yeah, there we go. That's just right. Now, the hardest part of the installation is you have to decide what side of the bike you want to have the Touratech logo showing on. For this bike, I'm going to have it facing out here with the swing arm. So we take the logo out, press that side in, press that side in, give it a little bonk with your hand, and it's in. Now, all we got to do to finish up is just go to the other side of the bike, take a 6mm Allen wrench, and crank down the bolt that you put through that's on the other side. If you got any more questions about this installation or you want to see other parts we make for your bike, please visit our website, touratech-usa.com. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos just like this.